This is the part 2 analysis of Tata Steel. Steel production is an energy initiative process that generates significant carbon emission. To address this concern, Tata Steel has implemented various sustainability initiatives. Emission reduction. The company has adopted cleaner production technologies, including coke dry, quenching, and a waste heat recovery system to reduce greenhouse gas emission. Water conservation. Tata Steel has implemented zero discharge policy, ensuring that industrial wastewater is treated and reused. Renewable energy adoption. The company is investing in a solar and a wind energy to power some of its operation and reduce its dependence on a fossil fuel. Waste management. Tata Steel promotes circular economic practices by recycling steel scrap and converting waste material into useful byproducts. As one of the India's most responsible corporations, Tata Steel actively engage in a community development project aimed to improve the life of peoples in and around Jamshedpur. Here is the key area of focus include education and skill development. Tata Steel operates a school, vocational training center, a scholarship for underprivileged students, healthcare and sanitation. The company runs hospital, mobile health clinics, clean drinking water project for local communities. Women empowerment and employment. Program like Samvad and Tejaswini empower women through skill training and employment opportunities. Tribal welfare and rural development. Tata Steel support indigenous community by promoting handicraft, sustainable agriculture and financial inclusion program. Here is the challenges faced by Tata Steel. Fluctuations in a global steel price. International trade policies and economic downturn affect demand and pricing. Raw material sourcing issues. Availability and the cost of the iron ore, coal and other raw materials impact production cost. Environmental regulation. Stricter law on a population, pollution control and carbon emission required constant adaptation and investment. Global competition. The rise of steel production in China and other countries created challenges in maintaining market dominance. Here is the future prospect and expansion plan. Tata Steel is focusing on modernization, digitalization and sustainability to ensure long-term growth. Here is the key future initiative includes Smart Manufacturing Industry 4.0. The company is integrating artificial intelligence, Internet of Things and automation to enhance efficiency and reduce cost. Carbon neutrality goal. Tata Steel aims to become the net zero carbon emitter by 2050 by adopting green steel technology. Product diversification. The company is exploring new high strength and lightweight steel product for electric vehicles, aerospace and defense. Expansion into new markets. Tata Steel plans to strengthen its presence in the Africa, Southeast Asia and Europe through acquisitions and a joint venture. Last but not the least, Tata Steel Jamshedpur is a pillar of India's industrial progress and a symbol of excellence in the global steel industry. With a strong focus on innovation, sustainability and community welfare, the company continues to lead by example as it navigates challenges and embraces new opportunities. Tata Steel remains committed to leadership with trust, ensuring that its legacy of progress benefits future generations. By balancing industrial growth with environmental responsibility and social development, Tata Steel is not just a company, it is a force driving India's towards a sustainable and prosperous future. Thank you for watching this video.